Hey, it's Ray just going over our Mod 12 reflection. For number one, I believe that internet safety is very important because nowadays most kids have cell phones and they're on the internet and they don't really know right from wrong when they're on the internet because people aren't who they seem to be on the internet. Um, my role as an educator to enforce and teach these internet safeties, I believe that it's a very important role. When I become a teacher, I would specify because I guarantee we'll still have the online portions like we're doing right now with COVID and everything. Um, I would tell them, don't talk to someone you don't know in real life. Like, people aren't who they seem online. Um, my thoughts after exploring the NetSmart website, I think that it was a great website and very informative. I watched the video over the little bots that were texting and they didn't know who they were. Like the kids didn't know who they were. Um, I think the sexual predarization was the most relevant towards me because I believe that that's very important and that's what I stand for. For the number three, the same thing. I think the most important thing on that website was the sexual predarization of the kids, and I just think that 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 needs to become an issue that needs to be brought into light. Um, and also, a main point is the standards of the cyberbullying. So, but thank you.